Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to install Apache Web Server. This command will download and install Apache automatically without any prompts. Use the next command to enable Apache to start automatically on system boot. By using the following command, you can start the Apache services immediately, so the web server is up and running. Run the following command to install the mariadb-server along with mariadb-client. Also, you need to start it automatically on boot and start it immediately once it's installed. Now run the following command to create a new database called Prestashop. Use the next command to create a dedicated database user and set a secure password. Don't forget to grant all privileges to this user. And run the following command to apply the changes and exit the mariadb console. Run the following command to install the software properties command package, which is required to manage additional repository. Use the next command to add the Onresh PHP repository. By using the following command, update your package list and install PHP along with all required extensions for Prestashop. Run the next command to check the installed PHP version. Use the next command to open the main PHP configuration file. Here you need to increase the memory limit, maximum upload size and script execution time. I also set the correct server time zone. By using the following command, restart Apache so the new PHP settings take effect. Run the next command to download the temporary directory and download Prestashop from official GitHub repository. Use the next command to install unzip and use the following command to extract Prestashop archive. Run the following command to move the Prestashop directory to the Apache web root. Use the next command to assign proper ownership to the files so Apache can access them. And set the correct permission. Now run the following command to create a new Apache virtual host configuration file for Prestashop and insert the following configuration. Don't forget to change the server name with your domain name or IP address. Run the following command to enable the new virtual host and use the next command to download and rewrite module, which is required for friendly URLs in Prestashop. Lastly, reload Apache to apply all changes. Now you need to finish the installation in the web browser. Once installation is complete, through the web interface, run the following command to remove the install directory. This is an important security step and must never be skipped. Now you can use Prestashop. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.